If you have ever struggled with literature review, summarizing research papers, or just have a kind of difficulties organizing your research sources, this video might be the game changer you have been waiting for. Today, we are going to look at the AI tool known as AnswerThis. This tool has been making waves in recent time. Please stick around and find why. So, what exactly is AnswerThis.io? It is an AI research assistant designed to help you streamline your research process. Whether you are a student, academic, or research professional, this tool can save you hours of work by generating literature review, summarizing PDFs, and even help you organize your research library. Hello everyone, I am Pat Ugu from Highseeker Academy. In this channel, we do videos on tech tutorial, tech hacks, and AI tools. If this is the kind of video you would like to see in the future, please consider subscribing. If you are ready, let's dive in. So I will open my browser and log into AnswerThis.io. Do not worry because I will put the link in the description box below. Once I get into this AI tool, you can see that we have this interface here where we can ask the AI tool any question. You can also chat with PDF, extract data, or search for papers. We are going to use the first option, which is Ask Answer This. Now, coming down to this box, let me input this prompt. I will say, write a literature review on the impact of technology integration in the classroom. After entering this prompt, I'll then click on this search button so that this AI will start to search for me. But before this will start, I will first choose the answer type, whether it is going to be structured literature review, dynamic research assistant, AI only. So I'm going to leave it as structured literature review. Then change the minimum citation. I will use 10 or 11 depending on your choice. Let me increase it to 15. Then the next thing I will need to do here is to select my database. So we'll be using journal quality, okay? And again, you will choose the publication date. Some institutions may require that you don't cite any journal that is older than 2000 or 2010, as the case may be. But for this particular research, we are going to leave it as it is. The next thing we are going to do is to enable this so that it will double check the citation. And finally, we are going to submit this research by clicking on this button. Once you click on the button, you wait for it to start the process. As you can see, the process has already started. What is going on here is that the AI AnswerThis is gathering the sources. After that, it is going to analyze the key themes, and next thing is to synthesize the information. Finally, it will compile the results. One thing you will need to understand about AI tool is that you don't copy and paste the results. I hope you understand. You don't just go to AI tool, copy the generated result, and paste it in your work. No, that will be
plagiarism.
The essence of using AI tool is to help you to speed up your work. Instead of sourcing for different databases, going to different online sources, looking for material, AI can help you to gather this information quickly, as we are going to see shortly. As you can see, this is the result. If you take a look at this, you will see the introduction. You will also see that it now has different citations. The AI tool known as AnswerThis has included different citations for us. You can see them here. The main reasons why we use AI to do a thing like this is because it will reduce the amount of time that requires for you to find these materials and all of these sources. You should know that you don't just go to any AI generated content, copy it and paste it in your research work. No, you will have to do what? Do your due diligence. Apart from the result that is generated for us at this left side, if you go to this right side, you will also see the sources. You can see the sources here. Some of them, the PDF is available for download. What you will need to do is to download the PDF and read them. Remember, as you continue to read related work, you will get to understand your own research work. This is awesome. Let me know if you are getting value from this particular video. Remember to subscribe as a way of supporting me. Now, another way you can use this particular AI tool known as AnswerThis is by chatting with PDF. Let me show you how to do that. If I come to this menu and click on New Search, from here, it will return us to this particular platform. So I will have to switch to this chat with PDF. Once I do that, I will then scroll and upload a PDF file. You can as well select file from your library. But for this tutorial, let me upload a PDF file. So I will click here, then choose any research file of my choice. For this, I will use this online learning in COVID year. Wait for it to upload. Now it is successfully uploaded. So once you have your file here, the next thing you will need to do is to start your chart from this particular area. Now I will enter this prompt. What is the gap in this work? So I want it to tell me the gap in this research work. I will then click on this button. You will need to give it some time to process and tell you the gap in this particular work. Here is our results. It is now showing us all the gaps in this particular research work. How cool is this? So I believe this particular tool is very useful for students, researchers, and what have you. If you would like to use this particular tool, the link is in the description box below. Remember, the free plan will only allow you to do limited usage. You can see that I am on trial status and the remaining usage that is left for me. All you will need to do is to upgrade your plan. Here is the prices. As you can see, the tool is free forever, but it has some limitations. If you are a passionate researcher, you can pay the $22 plan and make use of it. This is unlimited literature review, unlimited documents upload, and all of that. For enterprise, it is $3,300. I will put the link to this in the description box below. Let me know in the comment section what you think about this tool. Remember, I have another video that shows how to humanize AI-generated content. The video is popping up now. You will also find it in the description box. Remember to subscribe if you haven't done so. Until next time, keep learning.